Today, I'm going to talk to you about my Realtor bag and what's in my Realtor bag and why it's so important. I'm going to take it inside and I'll show you everything that's in the bag. My hat. You know, I use this hat a lot. It's raining, it's snowing. I need to be able to put a hat on just to cover my head. I can't really carry an umbrella. It doesn't make sense through a house. So my hat. I use my hat all the time. Flashlight. Often houses do not have the utilities on, or we want to look at something more closely. I've got my flashlight. This is a special one. It's also an emergency flashlight that has the siren sound and has a glass breaker on it that I keep in my car and with me. Tools. You know, people want to see what's underneath the carpet. People want to see behind something that sometimes I can't open. I always have something with me, tool-wise, to be able to open something. Sometimes it's the lockbox. Sometimes lockboxes get stuck and I need a tool to be able to open them. This works out terrific. It also makes me look like a genius with my customers because I have everything I need with me. And by the way, if you have something else in your Realtor bag, let me know. I'd like to add to mine, or maybe you'll add one of these to yours.